Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can add photos to hidden in your iPhone. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Find the photo you want to hide. Tap on the photo to open it. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide Photo. The photo is now hidden. To find hidden photos, go back to the main Photos app and scroll down to the hidden folder. Tap on it, and you'll see the photos you've hidden. If you want to unhide a photo, tap on it, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and select Unhide. You can also share or delete the photo from the screen, and there you go. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.